Hi guys, in this video we talk about Xiaomi 13 Ultra versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra launched on April 2023 with a price tag of $850. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. The body dimensions of these devices: the height 6.43 inches, width 2.94 inches, thickness 9.1 mm, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra height 6.47 inches, width 3.0 inches, thickness 9.5 mm. The weight of these devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 227 gram and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 221 gram. And the build: Xiaomi 13 Ultra front glass, eco leather back and aluminium frame, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. And the screen type of these devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with LTPO 4 AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size: Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 6.73 inches, Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 6.82 inches. The both devices come with 2K screen resolution, and the PPI density: Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 522 PPI density. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 510 PPI density, and the both devices come with 120Hz refresh rate. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 89.5% screen to body ratio. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 19.3% screen to body ratio, and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 4500 nits peak of brightness, and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 2600 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide with 1 inch sensor. The 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel telephoto, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with Leica lens, and it's record 8K 24 fps video. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with quad core camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 1 inch sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and a Hasselblad color calibration, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera of the devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 60 fps video record. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60 fps video record. And the platform of these devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 3, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Adreno 740 GPU, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with Adreno 750 GPU. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Android 13 MIUI 14 operating system, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with Android 14 ColorOS 14 operating system. The memory of these devices: the both devices come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage is same in both devices: 256GB, 512GB and 1TB, and no SD card support in both devices. Let's go to the battery backup. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh battery, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh battery too, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 100 watt fast charging. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 90 watt fast charging, and the both mobile come with 50 watt wireless charging, and it's come with 5G network support. The commons and the feature is same, and the result of these devices: the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 26 points, and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra got 19 points.